I'm always alone at home because my partner is at work. That's why I'm alone. With Mika. Hi, Mix. And then Mika will sleep also for at daytime. I know how to cook, guys. Is by experience. When I was 18 years old, I work as a helper, and then on that time I'm the one who clean the upstairs bath, and then uh, I we have also someone who will cook the food until that 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 lady needs to go home for her family. So my employer assigned me as a cook. Ah, that's the beginning until the end. I'm in the kitchen na. So that's why I know how to cook by experience, because my employer told me that cooking is what's that sort of experiment. Do you agree? So that's why now I know some not really like a chief cook, but for the family only ba, and some people. Thank you guys for supporting my LS. I need more WH, because my WH is 700 plus. Oh my goodness. And then the requirements 40. My subscribers already na 1K plus na. But then my the WH, I know where to. But slowly. Right?